I'll show how to install metal roofing. We'll talk about the advantages and especially the disadvantages. The disadvantages are pretty extreme. The material itself will last forever. It's the rubber washers on the fasteners that give out. And when they do give out, you got a hole in your roof. There's a lot of experienced contractors that won't even offer a roof like this to their customers. These fasteners have got to be put in correctly. Look closely how the rubber washer is bulging. The fastener was tightened too much. And it doesn't take too much to tighten it up too much. Now the next fastener I'll show you is snug but not too tight. So you can see human error can also play into this. We're using this metal roofing today on an old shed. This metal roof is going to be a lot better than the old canvas. We're screwing it directly to the metal structure. I'll show you how the seams work. There's a short side and a long side. The short side is designed to go on top and the water should roll down on the short side. Because the arc of the shed, we're bending this quite a bit. You can get rubber gaskets that go between the seams. Because this is a shed, we're not taking it to that level. We're able to drill pilot holes right into the metal structure and put the fasteners in. And everything's locking into place real nice. And it looks really nice on the outside and on the inside. The structure inside's pretty thin, but the fasteners are grabbing nice and solid. There's the good, the bad, and the ugly of metal roofing.